Hello and welcome to section 4 of the course Network and Website Services Enumeration. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. We are going to learn about network and website enumeration and how we can find it, and then what are the various tools and techniques available to perform enumeration that we are going to cover here in this section. Service enumeration overview. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We are going to learn about what is service enumeration, and I'm going to give you some examples here. So if I talk about service enumeration and if I take a website, so what we can find in a website? So we can find front-end and back-end technologies, right? So if you are enumerating a website, so first of all you need to find out the technology of front-end of a website and what they are using in the back-end. So basically what they are using in the front end, for example, what language like PHP, Java, etc. In the backend, what they are using, Apache or any other server. So that we can find in service enumeration phase. If I talk about a network, so in a network we can find information about like open ports, firewalls, operating system running in the server. So these points we can find in the phase of service enumeration. So we are learning about website enumeration as well as network enumeration in this section.